Hey guys, Coach Aimee here at Castle Rock, Orangetheory. Just want to do a little video about mini bands, all right? So, firstly, your colors. So just like our zones, they're colored in least to most resistance, okay? So your green is going to be your least resistance, your orange is your mid resistance, and your red is going to be the most resistance, okay? So base push all out, all right? All right, to properly put this band on, you're going to be seated on the bench. Make sure you got a good seat there. It's going to go on 1 foot at a time. And I'm going to start around my ankles and show you also while I'm putting them on the different positions, okay? So right here is your low band position. You've got your mid band up here, just underneath your knee joint. And then finally your high band position, which will be just above your knee joint, okay? So when you are going to, let's say we're going to do a mid band front walk. I want to make sure that my feet are about hip width apart with the bands. I'm going to maintain tension on the bands. Now when we do this move, the focus is on the isolated squat. So I want to make sure I push my booty back, I've got my weight heavy in my heels, and then I'm going to start my walk. Now no, you guys, it's not a huge range of motion with each step. I'm not looking to cover a lot of ground. I'm just going to take small steps while maintaining my isolated squat, 3 counts back, and then 3 steps to my return starting position. Okay, then I like to start with the other foot. So I'm going to go the other foot out 3 times and then back. Okay, now you'll notice as I go bigger on my step, if I go too wide or too far and forward, my band is going to roll. So you guys want to make sure that you're keeping your steps, your movements very small. Okay, so that's one. Now we're going to go with the lateral walk on the side here, okay? So same thing, starting with my feet about hip width apart. I'm going to go down low into that squat, and then again, just a very short range of motion, just outside my hip joint, 3 times to join, and then back, 2, and 3. Again, I didn't cover a lot of ground with those 3 steps, okay? So that is your band, mini band video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask your coach.